Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll talk about the British Airways baggage rules. So let's get started. So first of all, when it comes to the cabin bag allowance, we have the handbag, and the dimension for the handbag should be 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters. And the weight is up to 23 kilogram, free for all passengers. And when it comes to the cabin bag, the dimension for it should be 56 centimeters by 45 centimeters by 25 centimeters, and the weight is up to 23 kilogram. And when it comes to the general policy, like for the size, the maximum dimension of 90 centimeters by 75 centimeters by 43 centimeters. So when it comes to the economy basic, there's no checked-in baggage included. But when it comes to the economy, is one bag up to 23 kilogram, and the premium economy 2 bags of 23 kilogram each, and the business class is 2 bag of 32 kilogram each, and the first class is 3 bags of 32 kilogram each. And when it comes to the infant allowance, infants under 2 years without a seat could have one check-in bag of 23 kilogram, except on economy basic. And infant with seats and children over 2 years old have the same allowance as an adult. And when it comes to the additional rules and fees, pulling of bag is not allowed, even for passengers on the same bookings. And when it comes to exceedus baggage fees, overweight bags charge range from 65 euros to $100, whether it's for the US or the Canadian dollar. And the oversized and the additional bags incur extra charges. And there is a higher allowance that are available for frequent flyers. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.